So this is my EAT portfolio. Tells a little bit about me and my journey through the field of education. Here's my introduction. I'm 22 years old. I just finished up my last year as a UWO wrestler. I'm from Illinois. This is my resume that I would be giving to potential employers. Here are the certificates that I've gotten in this class. This is something that I will be continuously adding to as well. Here's a case study of a mobile learning app called Alex that I used that I think would be very beneficial. These are AR and VR apps that can enhance student learning and also increase engagement. I personally like most of these actually because they all can be incorporated into math classes. Here's a newsletter I would give to my class with a pretty inspirational quote. Not everything that can be counted counts, and not everything that counts can be counted. Here's a survey I would give out to my students. I know I've been talking about math a little bit, and this does have some reading in there as well, but I think it's a way to kind of get a little bit bigger picture about the students than just their knowledge of math. Here's a little introduction I did for this whole mobile online learning lesson. That's just the introduction of it. I'm going to go through the lesson plan now. The materials, here are the learning tasks. The students will be learning how to identify characteristics and group animals. The lesson introduction, which is above, is roughly 20 minutes. Then the first hands-on activity is 30 minutes. Then we go into our second hands-on activity, which is more of a discussion, and then a closure of only 8 minutes. That lesson is a mystery science lesson. The first video you see is a group-taught online lesson about recycling. The second one is the introduction we just talked about. And the third one is a video created using Edpuzzle with embedded questions for students to work on at home. Here's just a quiz that I would give to new students testing their knowledge. This would be one on decimals and rounding. This is our media debate. And then the learning first and technology second paper. The final reflection, I have not yet completed